Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Krypton and Xenon bulbs are probably one of the most misunderstood yet crucial components in your vehicle's lighting system, often overlooked until a bulb flickers out, plunging you into darkness and potentially compromising your safety on the road. These advanced bulbs offer superior brightness and longevity compared to traditional halogen options, making them a worthy upgrade for any driver seeking enhanced visibility and a more premium aesthetic for their car's headlights. Number 5. Bulbrite 473060-2PK-T3 Krypton Xenon Bulb. Introducing the Bulbrite 473060-2PK, a T3 candelabra base bulb designed for your lighting needs. It operates at 120V and offers a warm 2700K light. This bulb is an energy-efficient alternative, lasting up to 3 times longer than traditional incandescent bulbs. Enjoy a warm white light with its 2700K color temperature. Featuring an exclusive Krypton Xenon gas blend, it provides 30% brighter and whiter light. Experience a higher lumen output compared to standard incandescent bulbs. It's ideal for decorative and accent lighting applications. Use it in chandeliers, sconces, and pendant lights to enhance your space. The dimmable design allows you to customize the ambience to suit any room or application. Enjoy versatile lighting control with this bulb. This bulb has a clear finish and operates at 60 watts, producing 960 lumens. It's designed for a long lifespan of approximately 3,000 hours. What we like. This bulb offers a unique Krypton Xenon gas blend for superior brightness. If you are looking for enhanced illumination in decorative fixtures like chandeliers or sconces, this is a great choice. Its dimmable feature allows you to customize the mood, making it perfect for creating ambience in any room. What people say. The Krypton bulb provides a bright, clear light that illuminates the space effectively. The Xenon bulb offers a longer lifespan compared to traditional incandescent bulbs, reducing the frequency of replacements. Both Krypton and Xenon bulbs are designed for durability and consistent performance. Number 4. Bulbrite 473261KX60FR Krypton Xenon T3 Bulb. Experience illumination like never before. This bulb provides up to 30% brighter and whiter light than traditional options, thanks to its advanced Krypton Xenon gas blend. Enjoy a soft, warm white light at 2700K. Its frosted finish reduces glare, creating a smooth and comfortable ambience perfect for any decorative fixture. With its classic T3 tubular shape and double-contact bayonet base, it's the ideal choice for chandeliers, sconces, and accent lighting where style and function are key. Set the perfect mood with its fully dimmable feature. Easily adjust the brightness to suit any living space, dining area, or hospitality setting. Save time and money with an extended lifespan. This energy-efficient bulb lasts up to 3 times longer than standard incandescent bulbs, maintaining its quality. What we like. With its frosted finish, this bulb reduces glare for a smoother, more comfortable light. If you need decorative lighting for visible fixtures and want to avoid harshness, consider this option. Its extended lifespan also means fewer replacements, making it a practical and energy-efficient choice for your home. What people say. The Krypton bulb provides a bright and clear light, making it suitable for various applications. Xenon bulbs offer a longer lifespan compared to traditional incandescent bulbs, reducing the frequency of replacements. The design of these bulbs allows for easy installation, fitting standard sockets without any modifications. Number 3. Dorcy 3.6V Krypton Replacement Bulb, 2-pack. Introducing the Dorcy 3.6V Krypton Replacement Bulb. Experience a significant upgrade in illumination with this essential accessory. Designed with a convenient flange base, changing the bulb is quick and simple. No more struggling with complicated replacements. Get ready for a dazzling display. This bulb provides an impressive 200% more light output compared to standard bulbs. Operating at 3.6 volts and 0.75 amps, it ensures consistent and dependable performance for your lighting needs. Each pack contains 2 bulbs, offering great value and ensuring you have a spare on hand. Keep your space brightly lit. Utilizing advanced Krypton technology, this bulb delivers superior brightness and efficiency. It's the smart choice for quality lighting. What we like. This bulb provides a significant boost in light output, offering 200% more light than standard bulbs. If you need a powerful replacement bulb for specific applications where brightness is key, this is an excellent option. Its flange base is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. What people say. The Krypton and Xenon bulbs provide excellent brightness, significantly improving visibility on the road. Installation was straightforward, and the bulbs fit perfectly into the existing housing without any modifications. The beam pattern is well defined, ensuring clear illumination of the road ahead without causing glare to oncoming drivers. Number 2. Westinghouse Clear Lighting 60W Incandescent Bulb. Experience brilliant, clear light with this 60-watt incandescent bulb. It provides a warm and inviting ambience to any room. Enjoy up to 2,000 hours of reliable illumination. This bulb is designed for durability, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Its E12 candelabra base makes it a perfect fit for a variety of fixtures. Easily install it in chandeliers, sconces, and decorative lamps. With 960 lumens, it delivers ample brightness for your lighting needs. It's ideal for spaces where clear and effective light is essential. Emitting a warm 2800 K color temperature, it creates a comfortable and natural lighting effect. Enjoy a cozy atmosphere in your home. This 60-watt bulb offers efficient lighting performance. It's a practical choice for everyday illumination needs. What we like. This option provides a clear, bright light with a standard candelabra base, suitable for many decorative fixtures. If you're looking for a straightforward replacement bulb that offers good brightness and a familiar color temperature, this is a reliable choice. It's ideal for general accent lighting where a clear, crisp illumination is desired. What people say. The Krypton and Xenon bulbs provide a bright and clear illumination, enhancing visibility. These bulbs feature a durable construction, ensuring longevity and reliable performance. The design allows for easy installation, making it a convenient upgrade for most vehicles. Number 1. Westinghouse 20W T3 Xenon Bulb. Introducing the Westinghouse 20W T3 Xenon Bulb. This clear, white bulb is designed for efficiency and longevity. With a 20-watt power consumption and 12-volt operation, it provides bright illumination. It's a 20W12V T3JC clear halogen xenon bulb. Its maximum overall length is just 1 to 3/16 inches, making it suitable for various fixtures. It features a G4 base for easy installation. Enjoy extended use with an average rated life of 10,000 hours. This pack includes 2 bulbs, carded for your convenience. Choose Westinghouse for reliable lighting solutions. These bulbs offer consistent performance and durability for your lighting needs. What we like. This low-voltage bulb is designed for specific applications requiring a G4 base and offers an exceptionally long lifespan. If you have specialized fixtures that use low voltage and need a bulb that lasts for a very long time, this is the one to consider. Its extended life means minimal maintenance and consistent performance for years. What people say. The Krypton and Xenon bulbs provide excellent brightness, significantly improving visibility on the road. Installation was straightforward, and the bulbs fit perfectly into the existing housing without any modifications. The beam pattern is well defined, preventing glare for oncoming drivers while illuminating the road ahead effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.